In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set time zones in Trello. Whether you're managing a team spread across the globe or just someone bouncing between time zones for personal tasks, getting your Trello board to reflect your time zone correctly is essential. So let's dive into how you can do this seamlessly. Start by heading over to Trello.com. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the page and click on Log In. This will take you to the login page where you have the option to sign in using your email or your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. This flexibility makes it easy to access your Trello boards without any fuss. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. This is where you'll see all the boards you've created or have been invited to join. It's the control center of your tasks and team collaborations. Now, take a glance at the upper right corner of the dashboard. You'll see an icon that represents your account. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there choose Settings. This is your gateway to customizing your Trello experience. Within the Settings menu, you'll notice an option that invites you to go to your Atlassian account. This step is crucial because Trello operates under the Atlassian umbrella, and all personal settings, including time zone adjustments, are housed there. Once you're on your Atlassian account page, navigate to the Account Preferences section. Here you should see an option labeled Time Zone. Click on it and you'll be brought to a list where you can choose your preferred time zone. It's as simple as scrolling through the options and selecting the one that reflects where you are or where you need your boards to synchronize time-wise. Selecting the correct time zone ensures your deadlines, calendar events and reminders are perfectly aligned to your local time, leaving no room for confusion or missed deadlines. It's especially handy for coordinating with teammates or managing personal projects that have time-specific schedules. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set your time zone in Trello using your Atlassian account. Remember, keeping your time zone updated is a small step that can have a big impact on how effectively you manage your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process easy to understand and execute. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Trello boards and improve your productivity. Happy organizing!